Okay, if you're a parent, you already know. If your child finds something that they love, they live in it. Southpole Boys Active Basic Jogger Pants is one of those finds. We bought it in Heather Gray, which you're gonna see him in a second. Back and bought it in black because he would never take it off, even on wash day. It's the black pair. After a few months of wear, let's talk about what he likes and what he doesn't. So the waistband is ribbed, and this is a faux tie here. It does not go all the way around. It is an actual tie, but it doesn't pull through. This part is just elastic. It does have two functioning pockets, one on each side. I just noticed this black pair doesn't have a pocket on the back, and the gray pair did. That's weird. By the way, if you're new here, hi, I'm Raphaela. Consider subscribing if you like honest product reviews about home and family Amazon finds. I'm really trying to grow this channel to 1,000 subs by St. Patty's Day. Plus, we get to hang out and be these smart little cookies together. Okay, back to the video. So my son is 13. He's about 90 pounds and 4'10". Bought him a 14-16, and it fits perfectly. 10 different colors and all kinds of sizes, all the way from little boys 4 all the way up to a big boy's size 18. It is 100% poly, but it feels like cotton. Sheen wash and dry, no special care required. The inside is like fleece. I'd say it's a mid-weight sweatpant, and it's like a relaxed fit. Not baggy, certainly not fitted, like relaxed, comfortable. Y'all, he lives in these things. Cuffs at the ankle. I know we are in the dead of winter already, but if you're a parent and you're looking for sweatpants that your kids will absolutely just like want to live in, you just found them. They are so soft and comfortable, and it's impossible to beat this price at $9 a pair. Do yourself a favor and grab at least 2 pairs to avoid those arguments on laundry day. Just trust me. All right, that's a wrap. I'll see you smart little cookies in the next one. Bye-bye.